Well, I hope that their relationship with God has been strengthened. Just like the experience of the disciples, they always have this mountaintop experience. And I pray that going back to the plains, to the Sodom and Gomorrah of Metro Manila, they are a different person altogether. They have this mountaintop experience with God.
Well, actually, sir, nung una po talaga, ayoko po talagang sumama. Kasi nga naman, iniisip ko, kung sasama ako dito, wala naman ako masyadong close. Kasi yung mga fourth year kasama namin, hindi naman ako masyadong close sa mga fourth year. So, yun nga, naisip ko noon na kung sasama ako dito, dapat hindi lang dahil sa may mga kaklose ako, pero kung hindi, yung motibasyon ay nasa sarili ko. Yung kumbaga ba alam mo kahit wala yung mga kaibigan mo na mag-e-enjoy ka. At saka hindi lang naman to kasi para mag-enjoy ka lang, para rin ito sa pananalig na rin sa Panginoong may kapal.
Sabi sa Bible, there is a friend that is what? That cares and loves you more than a brother. Kaya minsan may mga friends na hindi pa sa brothers and sisters.
And of course, friendship. Oh, before they came here with cliques, with their own barcadas. But going back, they have new friends. Friends for life. Because in the group activities, in the family groups, they are disclosing themselves. Once you open up, you make yourself vulnerable. You're a part of someone, and that someone is already a part of you.
Well, I wanted to join because I wanted to change my attitude then. Because I have a problem with my attitude. So I learned a lot of things today, like such as friendship, faith, and fun. And the most of all is fun. We had so much fun. We had like swimming, hiking. I love the hiking and obstacle courses. And it was about the game. There's M&Ms, MMs. Yeah, you pick MMs and whatever color it is, you talk about it. I was really touched with that kasi the color that I picked was for a father and family. I have a problem with my father then. So I was really touched with my group's discussion then. It's like I never felt that I was not alone.
Actually, every meeting, especially every family discussion, was very memorable for me because the students really share their thoughts and their feelings, and talagang nafe-feel ko na they're also enjoying the sharings.
Marami akong natutunan sa kanila. Unang-una yung pagiging matatag. Nakita ko paano nila na-resolve yung mga problema kasi lahat tayo may iba-ibang problema. Pero sila yung mga problema nila na dinaranas, iba sa problema na dinaranas ko. Pero at their age, nakakatuwa na nakikita natin kung paano nila nalalampasan yon, yung mga ganong klaseng mga paghihirap. Pero tapos lumalaki sila na mabuting tao.
Give me one more time. Oh, basic, basic.
Parang lalakad ka sa escalator, hindi mo.
first time po, ngayon, hindi tayo nag-tent. Kasi, yun nga po, nung high school kasi ako, yun, nag-tent talaga kami, pauna-unahan pang ang build-up ng tent. Pero dito ngayon, yung MAC Youth Camp, yun, may prepared na natulugan, so hindi masyadong hassle. Nandiyan na siya. So, parang mas less ang burden sa youth camp na to. Pero, masasabi kong, in all of the camps that I've attended, itong MAC Youth Camp yung pinaka-the best in terms sa mga activities tsaka sa mga na-learn ko po na lesson.
I won't let go! I won't let go!
Hey, bitaw! Bumitaw ka na!
Mag-create tayo ng mga memories na magbibigay ng significance, ng meaning sa buhay ng mga kabataan. Alam nyo, itong mga kabataan ito narito ngayon, matatalino yan. Mga kabataan na buhay ang kanilang isip para pulutin yung mga magagandang bagay. Kaya nga, ang pinakamagandang memorya na pwede lang baunin ay yung impact ng mensahe na kinuha natin mismo sa salita ng Panginoon. At maliban doon, yung impact pa na meron silang pamilya ngayon na kung saan nakakapag-open up sila. Of course, with confidentialities. Kaya silang tanggapin kung sino man sila. Umiyak sila, tumawa, nandun lang yung kanilang kasama, kaya silang tanggapin. Na nagsasabi na, nandito lang ako. We will not condemn you, we will not judge you. We will accept you just as you are. Yun ang magandang baunin dito, yung non-condemning, non-judgmental spirit na makita sa bawat anak ng Diyos, sa bawat camper. Pagdating nila sa Mamsi, maunawaan lalo nila yung buhay.
Walang regrets sa
no regrets.
Tapos parang worth it talaga yung binayad kasi yung experience tapos parang yung paksa. Yeah.
Negative lang. Lahat ng sinabi natin dati.
Oo.
Dapat sumama na pala tayo. Okay lang kahit hindi baga, basta makinig. Masaya na.
Masaya.
Sige, Jobes.
Sir Umayan, Sir Oms, at sa mga iba pang
Salamat
mga
sa
staff.
parents na nagbigay ng pera.
Hindi kami nagsisisi.
Sumabol kami guys, sumabol kami kaya nga.
Last day, habol.
School bus?
Kaya nasa
School bus kami.
school bus kami. Ang saya ordinary fare.
So, pinapasalamatan ko unang-una ang Panginoon kasi binigyan tayo ng opportunity para gawin itong My Camp. Maraming salamat din sa administrators. Finally, you allowed us to have another youth camp, another My Camp, makiling version. At maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta sa My Camp na to. Sana sa mga susunod pang My Camp, sasama na kayo. Hindi na issue rito ang pera. Ang issue na rito, commitment. Yung desire to learn and desire to join. To have faith, fun, and friendship. My Camp, I love My Camp. My Camp, faith, friendship, and fun!